back. It's Coach Mohar with the Boys and Girls Club of North Georgia. We're here back doing another TP body, triple play body activity. So this is physical activity. I'm going to show you guys today how to do tricking. So to keep things basic, we're just going to teach you guys a really quick 3 to 4 step maneuver. So tricking is basically like parkour, but you don't really need the environment for it, and you can kind of just stand in one spot. So things like cartwheels and stuff, front flips, all sorts of stuff, but those are more advanced. So to keep it basic, I'm just going to keep you a quick little jump kick sort of maneuver. So again, this is a very quick 4-step maneuver. You want to make sure that you stretch before you do this. I find the best stretch you can do are called Frankenstein. What you do is kind of kick your leg up in the air and bring it back. Try and touch your hand. Try and keep it about eye level. And just do this a couple times. And you want to just make sure you're basically all warmed up. So all areas, your neck, your arms, your wrist, your hips, even your ankles. You want to make sure you warm those up some. All right, in order to do this 4-step maneuver, you have to think about it in terms of when you want your feet to be on the ground. So my way of thinking about it is left, right, right, left. So what I do is I start, I'll take 1 step and then a 2nd step while turning. At the same time, I will jump and land on my right leg and then land on my right leg again after jumping again, followed up by landing on my left with a big kick. So in motion, left, right, right, left. And you can do a whole bunch of different lines with this. That's only, again, 4 steps of movement. You can combine this with, say, 100 different steps of movement. So get creative with it. I'd love to see everything you can come up with. Try and make a 10-step line. That is my challenge for you all. Good luck with it, and have a good day.